Yo, this is how you make dongchimi. What are we making today?
동치미.
Dongchimi. What's dongchimi?
겨울에 먹는 물김치예요. 동이 겨울.
겨울. 취미는?
치미 몰라.
Guys, I didn't even start shooting and she's already halfway down.
어머님께서 일을 너무 잘해가지고.
안 달래.
무는 소화도 잘 시켜서 이렇게 먹으면 좋아.
Oh, what? So you said boom?
야.
엄마 왼손잡이야?
어.
Oh, damn. She's a lefty. So we're gonna go boom. 한 이 정도?
조금 더 적게 쓰면
좀
좋아.
더 얇게? 여기서 한 이 정도. That's good? So she said this is good for digestion, so we're gonna give it a try. So when you make any type of kimchi, we usually like to use 천일염, aka the sea salt, right?
너는 어떻게 계량을 할 거야?
This is hard. So one of the hardest thing about making recipes or learning how to cook from an Asian parent is that they don't measure anything, right? So today, 적당히. So today we're gonna make the effort to try to make it into a recipe to share with you guys. So after we cut the radish, we're gonna throw it into a little tom. Alright, so every layer we put, we're gonna put a little bit more sea salt to it. Gonna sprinkle that joint on. And throw another layer on top. And then we're gonna sprinkle the salt on top. That's good?
Yes, good. 야, 이렇게 해놔. 그러면 파이브 올리면 오케이야.
So once we put the sea salt on it and sprinkle it on, give it like 5 minutes and it's gonna like blow. It's gonna, all the excess water is gonna come down. We're gonna put this away for now.
원래는 이렇게 썰어서 망에다 싸서 하면 좋은데 쉽게 여기다 그냥 집어넣어 버리는 거야. 그래도 먹을 수가 있고.
Okay. Mama, nice with the nice skills. Alright, so after that, alright, now we're gonna throw the ginger on top. 나도 뭐라도 해야지. So I said I gotta do something too, you know? Usually what we would do is we would cut this in half and put it in a net, but right now we're just slicing it thin because we're not gonna be using a net to throw it in. We're just making a simple, fast way for you guys to learn how to do it. So now we're gonna throw the garlic right in. Jalapenos next. Alright, so we're gonna chop with some jalapeno. So even this, we usually just split it in half and put it in a net and then throw it in. But we're just chopping it thinly because we're just making a faster way to make the recipe for you guys. Keeping it simple for most of the people who doesn't have the net. Alright, so what's next?
스칼레오.
Scallion. Let me do something.
이렇게 아주 반 잘랐어.
반 잘라서? Alright, so we're gonna cut that in half.
눈물 나.
That was 2 scallions, right? Yeah. Alright, so far we have some radish in here, then garlic, scallion, onion, and jalapeno. And then here we got some, cat. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So then you just chop that up into small bite pieces.
좋아.
You want to throw that all right in. She said it's kind of spicy because it's mustard.
New sugar.
Oh, new sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. Usually I'm the chef, you know, but I'm her little 뻘망이 today. I'm her little helper. 뉴스가 있습니다.
난 원래 뉴스가 안 넣어. 원래 안 넣는데 많은 사람이 근데 이걸 넣어야 좋아해. 그래서 넣는 거지. 나는 원래 안 넣어서 담백하고 깨끗한 맛으로 먹어.
That's about a teaspoon of new sugar. So in this bowl, what we're doing is we're throwing some water in here and some salt and just a little bit of new sugar. So new sugar is like an artificial sugar that's like super sugary.
싱거워.
said she tasted and it's kind of bland, so we're gonna be adding more salt to it. So taste as you go. Make sure it dissolves.
아 됐어.
Oh, it's good. It's perfect.
딱 좋아.
I don't know if this is 딱 좋아. 이거 넘치는 거 아니야?
아니야. 좋아하는 사람 같으면 이제 여기다가 빨간 고추 예쁘게 올리면 예뻐.
There's a lot of green and white, but some people prefer to have some red pepper, so it visually looks a lot better. So a lot of people actually throw some pear and apple to give natural sweetness to it, but she doesn't usually go with any apple or pear.
무에서 나오는 그 맛을 즐기는 거야.
So she just really enjoys the flavor that actually comes from the radish when the salt hits the radish.
내추럴한 거.
All natural. Ooh.
Yeah.
And the reason I'm holding my son is because, you know, he's making a lot of noise right now, and I think he wants to be part of it.
거야?
Are you scared? You fake money. Scared money don't make no money. So right now it just tastes like salt water with some radish and some vegetables, but all this flavor is gonna really come out and within 5 days. That's where it's gonna ferment and all the flavor is gonna come out. So if it's outside, outdoor, garage, or balcony where it's freezing cold, about 10 days. If it's room temperature, 5 days. That's the key number. But make sure to taste it and see, you know, where it's at. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
여보세요.